Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel and good morning pala and thank you pala sa mga lahat ng mga subscribe sa amin. Thank you so much and today guys is birthday ni Rinalyn. Ni Rina at ni Ate Nalyn dyan sa Israel. Hi! Happy birthday te! Miss you! Ang pinganha and ngayon ay magpapakain si Rina at ngayon ay nagpe-prepare siya. I mean magpapasnacks pala sila. Nagpe-prepare siya rin na dyan. Ito na guys. Birthday may. Uy, happy birthday.
Thank you.
Ano siya guys. Nagpe-prepare siya mga zest of happy birthday.
Thanks.
Kaya tinarin day.
Ay, oh, happy birthday te. Hi.
Dala guys. Dala ilang tayo snacks. Tayo snacks.
Sa mga bata.
Mga bata kay
Sabi ni Ate Lona.
they feel old already. So
Kaya para sa mga bata na lang guys.
sa mga bata na lang. Siya lang nag-prepare.
So guys, nandito rin si Papa guys. Tumulong siya sa amin. Kasi naawa siya sa amin kasi kami lang dalawa ni Andrew dito. Hi pa. Great ni Ate Put pa, uy.
Hey, Rinalyn, happy birthday, Rinalyn.
Ang ako day pa.
How old are you now?
Ang ako day pa.
Diba na-birthday mo gapon?
So guys, nandito na po sila.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday to you. Happy
Nandito si Erica at Billy.
Hi, Dong. Dong. Hi.
Ayan, so ngayon, papunta na kami sa gymnasium. Punta kami sa graduation ni Rhea at sa Ate Billy, no?
Yeah, Billy.
Billy. Ate Billy. So
Guys, nakita niyo yung
nagpakilay siya guys.
Dito, guys.
Dito, anong tawag dito?
Yeah,
Kilay.
shout out kay Giawela Lagamon. Hi.
Hi Giawela. Hi
Giawela.
Goko. So,
Hi.
Guys, ngayon ay pumunta kami dito sa church namin kasi magpe-pray muna kami ni Rinalyn. And magpe-pray muna kami ni Rinalyn, guys, and yun siya, bumibili po siya. Yun. Huy, huy. 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 Psst. 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 Pag tumingin siya, akin siya. Psst. Pag tumingin siya. So guys, hi po. Hi. Yun. Pray muna kami, guys.
Dito yung mga vloggers, guys. Mga sikat na vlogger.
Hi guys. So ito yung birthday gift ko kay Rinalyn kasi kinapos tayo ngayon. And I hope na magustuhan niya tong letter na ginawa ko. So I will read it for you guys. Charot lang. Guys, naubos yung English ko dito. So kung may wrong grammar man, sorry. Hi Mami. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to the special person who's bringing so much joy to my heart. I am so very thankful for every moment we spent together, and I wish our happiness never ends. May this day be as sunny as your smile and as beautiful as you are. You shine every day, but on this day you will shine the brightest. May the Lord God gives you more blessings and birthdays to come. Because of you, you make my life worth it, or worth living. You bring smile to my face, and your touch shows me how you love me and care for me. You are the reason why I smile every day. Our passion will never go away, and our love will shine the brightest. Charot. You are the best thing that has happened in my life, and I wish you have an awesome birthday. You really deserve it, me. Isa. And I wish that your dreams may come true. LPT. Thanks for all the memories you've given to me. No matter how old we get, kasi tumatanda na tayo. 21 at 22. I will always be here for you, no matter what happened. I am so thankful that you gave me another chance, and this time I will do my very best and not to fail you again. Even the worst days are easy when you hold my hand and hug or kiss me. Even the darkest thoughts fade away when I see you smile at me. I wish I could attach my heart to this. Only then you might understand how much you really mean to me. You really mean and special to me. Every day I always think of you. I am captivated by your love, and loving you is a privilege, but being loved by you is a blessing. Again, happy birthday, Mommy, and I hope all your wishes come true on this special day. May PS pa. Sorry, me, if ito lang talagang mabibigay ko. Kasi, thank you for watching our video and hope you like it. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel, hit the like button, and comment down below for any suggestion. And see ya, guys. I love you. We love you. Take care always. May cake pa. Bye-bye, guys. Happy birthday again ni Rinalyn at ni Ate Ronalyn. Magkakambal. And congratulations to Rhea na nag-graduate. Yoo-hoo! Cake.